welcome back to Island Reaction. Working on the Cebu Province kitchen. It's going to be rebar and poured concrete and tile on the top. And we'll post more videos for this on our Island Reaction channel. We've been missing for a while, but we didn't forget you. Don't forget us. Don't forget to click and subscribe. So we'll go out here. This is the temporary kitchen. Temporary kitchen. So I believe the plan is of course this burner will be inside on the kitchen countertop. This tank, some people put them underneath the inside of the house, underneath the kitchen countertop. I think we prefer, just for a little added safety, we're going to have this stored out here. A hole will be drilled through here that will allow the line to go through to the kitchen countertop, and then the tank be stored out here in some kind of a safe place. So that's it for now, guys. Thanks for checking us out. We'll try to send you some updates here. Update soon. Thanks for watching.